Prawin Engineering. At Prawin Engineering, craftsmanship meets trust. Today, our teams are at two sites, one installing a brand new boiler, another repairing an old one. Every move here is calculated, from crane lifting to perfect placement, handled only by trained professionals. Our IBR certified TIG and arc welders create joints that last a lifetime, strong, precise, and safe. Alignment, flange bolting, piping, every detail is executed with precision. Our second team brings an old boiler back to life, cutting, cleaning, and fitting new sections. Inspections are continuous. Our admin guides the site manager in real time, ensuring zero compromise. Leadership is hands-on, clear instructions, safe practices, and teamwork. The factory owner watches with pride, expertise and dedication in action. A handshake of honor. The owner appreciates the admin and the team for their dedication. Safety comes first. Hydro tests, valve checks, and final certifications before handover. A job well done. The team celebrates, proud, skilled, and united. Like what you see, Prawin Engineering is hiring experienced IBR TIG and arc welders, fitters, marketing executive, site supervisor, mechanics for thermal fluid oil heaters, steam boiler pumps, and electrical panel boards, turners, and helpers. Join us today. Prawin Engineering, IBR certified and trusted since 1985. Quality, safety, delivery.